Hello, my friends. Peace be upon you all. How are you doing? I believe everyone is doing really well. Today, in this video, I would like to describe or I would like to show you how to describe your daily life. That means, if anyone asks you to mm, tell about your daily life from morning to night, how could you describe it? How would you tell the things, uh, tell all the actions of your day, step by step? So let's get started. Generally, what we do in our daily life at the um, you know uh, very early morning, we definitely wake up. All right, we wake up, and what we do after waking up, we wash our face. All right, those who are Muslims, they take ablution, right? They take ablution. Suppose you could say, uh, I wake up very early in the morning. I wake up very early in the morning, and after that I uh, take ablution for prayer, right? After taking ablution, what do? I pray. I pray before sunrise. I pray before sunrise. And while you are saying you are washing your face, you could say that I brush my teeth. I, clean myself. I change my dress. Uh, I change my dress from sleeping dress to night dress to prayer dress. You could say like this, right? I change my dress from night dress to uh, prayer dress. Then after praying, I make my own breakfast. I make my own breakfast. Generally, in my breakfast, what I take or what I eat, I take an egg every morning the breakfast. In breakfast, every single day I take an egg with bread. With bread. All right. I try to take some fruits, for example, bananas or any other fruits. Uh, for example, papaya, banana or papaya. Okay. And I take a glass of, uh, or I take a cup of tea, or you could say I take a glass of milk. A glass of milk. You could describe like this about your breakfast menu. Okay, so after taking breakfast, what I do, I get ready. I prepare for going to the university. I prepare for going to school. I prepare for going to my job. I prepare for going to job. Okay, then I go to train station or I go to bus station to go to my university or go to my workplace, and it takes 1 hour or 30 minutes to get to my university. You could say it takes 15 minutes to get to my workplace, job place, or you could say it takes 10 to 15 minutes to reach to my school. Okay, um, and I spend around 5 to 7 hours at my university. And if you're a university student, then you could describe a little bit more. I meet my friends. I talk to my friends about my academics. I, join group class or group discussion where we discuss about our uh, academics at the university. And I have got a uh, friend circle that has 5 members. So I have got a circle of five members, friend circle of 5 members or 6 members. Every day after our class is over, every day after class is finished, we sit together to discuss about our lesson, right? If we don't understand anything, we discuss each other. Eventually it becomes easier. Okay, so in our friend circle, maybe someone understands a topic more better than me, or right, or it might happen that uh, I understand better something than one of my friends in my friend circle. So I discuss with my friends about the problem, with the issues, and then I come back again. I return home. All right. I described about at the university. If you are a job holder, if you're working at any place, so you could describe about your daily schedules. If you're a worker, then you could say that I do different types of things at my workplace. Firstly, I look at my routine, I look at my to-do list, and I try to do all my uh, tasks according to to-do list. Right? I join meeting. I you know complete all the appointed tasks by my supervisor or by my boss. So I finish all the tasks. I join meeting. I take notes in meeting, and I'm a person who always obeys, who always adhere, or who always follow, who always maintains the rules and regulations or norms. Okay, so norm is a very uh, strong word. Okay, so you could say that I follow all the norms, rules, and regulations of my office, and I stay there for 5 to 7 hours. I come back around uh, 3 or 3:30 uh, evening. I come back again by a bus or by a private vehicle or private transport. And after coming home, I take my lunch. Okay, in my lunch I always try to take healthy food. I try to include uh, a salad in my lunch. Okay, I love cucumber salad a lot. Apart from this, I try to include a piece of fish. Okay, I try to include a piece of meat. I'm very much fond of having chicken, or I could say I'm very much fond of taking beef. Okay, so you could describe like this about your, lunch. And what else? Then after taking lunch, I feel like to take a nap uh, of very short time. Maybe I like to take a nap for 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes it becomes 1 hour. All right. That's what I do. And then I pray. I after after 6 p.m. I sit down again at my work table or reading table. If you're a university student or if you're a student of an 11, you could say that I finish my homework, and I go through all the lessons that have been taught in the class. And if I don't understand anything, I go to the internet to look for the information. uh, the artificial intelligence is available today. If we don't comprehend, if we don't understand, or if we don't decipher anything, uh, artificial intelligence, like you know uh, chatbot like DeepSeek chatbot like ChatGPT, okay, came emerged. We can get assistance from these chatbots, and sometimes I write, sometimes I practice any skill. This is how I finish around 2 hours every day after 6 p.m. And I try to pray again at 8 or 8:30. Then I make my dinner, and sometimes I make my dinner, or um, any of my family members make it. Whoever does it, I try to help in the kitchen, because it is quite hectic to work in a kitchen like other 10 tasks. Okay, so that's what I do. I assist my family members to cook in the kitchen. Then we take our dinner, mm, happily. We try to take very light dinner, and we try to take dinner as early as possible, and we love to maintain a gap of 4 hours between dinner and sleep. And this is how I generally finish my uh, days. And before going to sleep, I try to do some exercise, maybe walk for 10 minutes, or sometimes I go out. uh, you know Sometimes I walk at my home, inside home. And what else, before going to bed, uh, it is my regular task to read some pages from any book. uh, I always love to read books, okay, and um, it helps me to sleep earlier. I try to avoid all types of device from my bed uh, while I try to sleep, because I know that uh, devices are distractors, and they can just distract me in every single way. That's why I try to avoid them. I try to keep my laptop and phone as much as possible in my reading room while I go to bed in my bedroom. So this is how I generally spend my time at my work. I mean, in a daily basis. Okay. So yeah, this is how you could describe yourself. Mhm. And I would encourage you to uh, you know express yourself through these sorts of simple things, right? Many of might ask me that why are you making these videos, these simple videos, who will watch? I do not want anyone to watch, but I only want uh, those people to watch these videos, those who are struggling, and those who are not smart, I mean those who are not skilled yet at English language, those who struggle to um, start the first step. Okay, these videos are for them, for the people those who are at the very early stage of their English journey. So these videos are for you, those who are struggling to put the first step of your learning journey in English language. I hope this video will help you to uh, realize that how you can start speaking by simple things like daily routine. See you again in the next video. Ta-ta.